thing that brought me today is just for advice. Yes, we can see how things are going. I didn't come to bring anybody to say you are doing it right or doing it wrong. I want to carry everybody along by saying we have passed the stage of propaganda and never again. It should not start now. Meanwhile, anybody that this message should be addressing should take it as a very vital message, because as it stands now, most of the time it doesn't matter how we take things to be, but what matters is how things should be. You understand? And sometimes we might think that we are doing it right, meanwhile we might be doing it wrong. That's why sometimes we need to digest some things, we need to reason again and again, we need to invite people even to ask questions. If possible, there are people who are gifted in advising or in giving some it is not bad when you can't digest things and you look for someone to at least seek advice from. If you should ask maybe 1, 2, or 3, from there you will check which one is more. There is enough point to pick up, to put up action. It is very important. Otherwise, sometimes you might think that you are doing it right while it might be wrong. That is my advice. Not only that, this movement, many people have suffered in it. Many have gone in it. And many have lost a lot. So already we are now a nation. And there is not this time that we're supposed to be more united, that will start to divide ourselves. So meanwhile, I'm still encouraging us to keep on with that susu spirit, because we are not parting anybody to make this nation, to bring it down. Rather, we have gathered as individuals to achieve one common goal, and that goal is the nation that we have already acquired. Meanwhile, there is the two most important part of it which everybody needs to understand. One of it is radicalization, which has taken place on 29th of December 2024, and then the next one of it is restoring it. These two like twins, since as the first one is like minor, which is the redeclaration, and the major of it, which is the final, is restoring it. Because when it is restored, it will be at peace. The homeland will be at, everybody will now be coming home with their free-minded heart to stay in peace, and no more problem here and there, or shooting of guns and other things. You are coming back with a free mind and hoping to sleep with your 2 eyes closed. So all these things is what we should be having in mind now that we have been redeclared and we are now nation. Good. What next? The next is down to make it a reality by securing the land, so that we will live like human beings. We will be safe. We will have a kind of a freedom of speech and a lot of things. Exhibit that attitude which we are known for. That's a personal gift. That's talent. You will not be able to make use of it in a positive way. Meanwhile, I'm sorry for the noise. Meanwhile, the current situation should not be of much, even though that it is a kind of disencouraging somehow. But don't forget that this movement, it has never been easy. And they know that the more the restoration of it is drawing closer, the harder it will be. But we keep moving, no matter what. No matter what, we will keep moving. That is how a hero makes it in life. You can never be a hero without reaching the end. If you fall on the way, then it means that the effort that you have made so far has failed. So it's not time to either blame this person or the other person, because a lot of things are in propaganda. That's why I want to desist from propaganda. Why? Reason is that if you take this person to be right, there are things that you will hear from another person. You will begin to blame yourself of the first statements you made. You understand? So meanwhile, this is government. I would advise, if things should be checked from constitution, yes, it can start because we are already a nation. Things should be checked in constitution. If for now, I am as well advising, because the way things is now is not how we planned it, because we don't know that our PM will not be with us till now. So meanwhile, it might not be the way it's supposed to be just the way we changed 29th instead of 2nd. Some things can be changed. So far, it will help the nation to move ahead. So far, it will help the nation to move ahead. It must not be that the way it has been said, it should be that way. I am just giving suggestion. I am not kind of standing with anybody. As well, discipline is very important, because discipline will make, even when you are right and you know that right will make things to go wrong, you can withdraw and even endure it, even though that you are right. That endurance is what is called discipline, because it will help you to move on and people will respect you more, instead of proving that right to make things worse, and people will disregard you with time. So if you take these two, you see that sometimes we need to lower that our maybe the, should even whether call it pride or this, we need to bring up our discipline. We need to use that to allow discipline to take over, or so that things sometimes, even when we are right, we might just, because of the sake of peace, mellow down and even accept to be wrong, just for the sake of peace. People will regard you for that. People, not to make mistake. I know why, because propaganda is the father of all problem in any organization, and we should avoid it with every power in us, in order not to be destroyed. Thank you.